And you guys look beautiful today. Oh, well, welcome back, you beautiful gentlemen, women, whatever you're in here. Finally, I got the tune back from my tuner. He sent me a revision 2, and we are going to go ahead and get in the car. I'll do some data logs, and I'll show you guys how I data log. We're only doing 1 watt hit, then the other ones we're just gonna mess around. I'm gonna try to get as much turbo noises, but I'm super hyped to finally go and actually do a 2nd watt pool that is on 91. So let's just jump right into the video. All right, so we're up in the car. I just did a cam reset, so now I just gotta let it idle for like 2 or 3 minutes. Then we're gonna go around, drive around the block for a little bit, and then go to Mexico and do a little watt pool. All right, so I got you guys on the mount, and I also have my GoPro on so I can give you guys POV, because I want you guys to see my reactions when I'm doing it, and also I want you guys to see me doing my POV. So I'll be switching back and forth, and then I'll choose which audio is the best too. All right, so I got everything all set up on the computer. I'm ready to go. So now we're just gonna go out, drive it for a little bit, and then we'll start the data log process. All right, so we are recording both on this and that, and we are good to go to actually start doing it. Air conditioning, and now we're gonna start giving her a go. So now I'm gonna hit the data log right here. So now we're recording. So now that that's all done, now we can go out and actually get you guys some clips. Let's go. So funny, when I'm wearing my GoPro, I get so much looks. All right, let's get another one. That was 2nd grade. Let's get another one. That was 2nd grade. Dude, the way it just creeps. Oh God. All right, so let's get this right here. Let's shift this time. God damn. Let's go. So let's shift this time. Alright guys, so we are back home now. I hope you guys can hear all that stuff. I'm gonna edit these so you guys can get the clearest sound possible, but I really hope the GoPro and the camera actually got it. Alright, so back in the garage, I have the hood popped on the car right now because we did mounts of pools on this car. It's just sitting right here cooling off. So that is all that you need to do for the data log. I hope you guys can see the reactions. I was checking the clips and it shows that you could hear it a little bit, but not too much. But you could definitely see me go back and forth in it. So that's a cool thing. All right, guys. Well, that is all it is to data logging and doing the watts. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share to people that have the same build. I appreciate all the engagement I'm getting on TikTok and YouTube. It's actually insane. But I'm gonna leave it here, guys. I'll pick up the camera when we hit, what is it? I think it would be big single turbo episode 9, because I think this would be 8. But anyways, guys, if you can believe it, you can achieve it. Catch you guys in the next one. See ya.